Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back today. Well, we're in downtown Ayia Napa. We've booked into room, suite actually, 203 Ocean Dream Suites. There's their little logo, and it's in downtown Cato, Ayia Napa, and that's the little white church that's right in front of the blue Mediterranean Sea. It's a spectacular place to be. Now, let's see if we get an answer when we knock on the door. Oh, it's Miss Ayia Napa.
How nice to see you again and again. Welcome. Please.
And again, welcome to our humble little suite. There we are. Feast your eyes and digest. We've got beautiful hanging lanterns, and in fact, someone's gone and switched that one off. Why is it switched off? Nope. There we go. That's it. Absolutely spectacular and beautiful as usual.
Thank you.
You should be a presenter on the show The Price is Right. You'd have made an absolute fortune, that's for sure.
It's a very amazing, it's a very beautiful room. And you feel like you're very, very special when you come into this room and everything prepared just for us.
Yes, spectacular room in a spectacular location. Because as you understand, as we go past Auction Receiver Booth, that's the door and that's the terrace. There's that little white church. And of course, just over yonder is the car park. And then just over yonder from that is the blue Mediterranean Sea. Shall we go and have a look around our rather nice little suite? And as you can see, everything you can possibly want is here. When you come in, you close the door and you pop your little card into that little slot there, and it puts all the lights on. What else you get? Hairdryer. Over there is an ironing board and an iron. You get a kettle, you get a coffee machine, you got a place for your luggage, you got a nice place to do all your makeup and check yourself in the mirror. You have a quick look and you go, not too bad. I'm going to see if the booth spends a little bit longer in front of that mirror.
Always, Mr.
Always.
Paul, always.
Now,
trying to be looking nice, especially on camera, of course.
Of course. That's the lovely bed. Have a look at that. Nice massive double bed with a very, very comfortable mattress. And then over there is, well, there's a nice quilt up the top there. There's some of Gracieviala Booth's clothes. There's an iron and there's an ironing machine. And of course down there is a safe. Not that we've got any money. Here's the most important place in the whole place. And that is, well, the fridge. And as you can see, Mr. Paul has stocked it up with his favourite tipple. And even Miss Ayia Napa Booth has got something medium and a little bit dry and a little bit white, because that's the way she likes it. Receiving?
Yes.
What's that? My God, that's Ayia Napa Booth. Hold on.
I think I knew this woman somewhere.
And who's he?
This is Mr. Paul.
Oh, that's Mr. Chris. We know all these people. It's like watching a YouTube video.
We are watching the YouTube video.
Right, let's continue with our little room tour. This is the rather nice ensuite shower. Have a look at that. Absolutely huge shower, by the way. Certainly big enough for 2, if not 3 people to have a shower. What do you say, Chrissy? You can bring the whole family in here.
We are not calling anyone there.
You've got your normal tap arrangement, your normal shower arrangement, and then we've got what we call the rainforest shower, which I do like in the mornings. Chrissy?
The rainforest, how interesting. Nowadays, in order to make more and more sales, people will think about the rainforest, about mermaid bath.
What was that again?
Mermaid bath.
Mermaid. As long as you're coming to terms with that word,
The woman
give
with
another
a-
week.
A fish tail.
A fish tail.
Yes.
What's in that little room there?
That one is a
This
toilet.
is the toilet. There we are. Ultra modern basin. Nice taps. There's our bag of goodies. Plenty of room if you want to bring your shaver with you. Nice mirror. There on the camera. Nice toilet. And a very, very nice little bathroom indeed. And as you can see, it's a very, very good sized little suite. That's for sure.
Yeah, I would say people, couple don't need more bigger than this.
No. So, Gracevia booth, where are we?
We are in downtown Ayia Napa.
And how long are we here for?
And we're here for 2 days and 2 nights, probably 3 days and 2 nights,
Yes.
but we will see how the things are going well or not, and I hope they are going well.
And what are we going to be doing tomorrow?
We're going to be doing tomorrow many things. It's a lot of things to see downtown Ayia Napa, and things are so interesting, and you know, when you keep coming again and again, thank you very much, you just feeling that you're coming home. But there is many places to investigate.
So what are we going to hire tomorrow?
Oh, we're going to hire tomorrow the scooters.
Little scooters, little two-wheel scooters.
Two-wheel scooters. Luckily for me and Mr. Paul, we are very well athletically done. Even if we fall down, we're not going to go further down than the ground. And of course, the bruises are not something new for me. I'm full of them now.
Well, of late, if you've been following the channel, Gracevia Booth has acquired a few bruises. She's fallen down a few holes, she's hit a few walls, she's fallen over this and that, and so have I. It's all part of the channel. We don't edit, it's live. And we try and keep a brave face on it afterwards. Well, you may hear some bad language, that's for sure.
At the end of the day, the things should be going as they are going. And this is, in my opinion, even more and more interesting.
Hold on a second, can I interrupt you? I just want to show you something. This is still Marika and me playing, but there's now something else playing. I can smell 1 or 2 cents, that's what I can smell. Gracevia?
Yes. Not long ago, I was watching our video, and it was a sort of questions above it, and it was saying, did it any certain videos like Bentley showing Range Rovers, Rolls Royces, and sort of very luxury cars shown? And I answered, click, 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 all of them was shown on our videos.
What she was meaning was they put an advert on for some luxury cars, and then after the advert, Google, YouTube asked to the viewer, was that video of interest? To which Miss Otching Gracevia Booth said yes, 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 because she understood that that advertiser was probably paying quite a bit of money to Mr. Google, and hopefully Mr. Google will give us 1 or 2 cents. So we thank you for watching us, we really do, and we appreciate when, well, I understand that you can't get past the adverts, but that's not us, that's actually Google, and we do appreciate every second that you watch us and those adverts, and of course that's how the channel is funded. Some people understand it, some people don't. We don't charge you 1 single penny, Google doesn't charge you 1 single penny. What Google does is put adverts that it believes may be relevant to you, the viewer, and that trickles down, and we get, believe it or not, only pennies of each advert that you watch. But hopefully as time adds up, that will add up, and it will allow us to travel further and further afield. We've come from Paphos to Ayia Napa, we're off to Portaris again. Hopefully the dream is to travel around 5 or 6 Greek islands. You've stolen it again. Greek islands, and we want to take you with us. That's the plan. So, Gracevia Booth, where do you think we're going to wiggle and waggle tomorrow?
Well, we're going to waggle and wiggle in many places, but I hope that we are going to be very, very careful in our riding it, because as I understand, it's a very live town, and we shouldn't be very naughty as we were one time in Paphos. It was like once upon a time, you know, and I was nearly hit by a big bus.
You were actually, and that bus was certainly using some bad language as you swung out in front of him. If you go hunting back in our previous catalogue, you'll understand that she pulled out in front of a bus. But anyway, she lived to see another day. I'm fascinated with what's playing on YouTube. Yet again, there it is, Marika and me is playing live in the background. Hopefully YouTube doesn't give us a copyright strike. Hopefully YouTube understands that that is us. But you never know. Hopefully you get to watch this video. Now, I'm going to top up Receiver Booth's little glass of wine. I've got a little glass of my amber nectar, and we're going to wish you a great, great evening. But please come back and see us in the next episode as we wiggle, waggle, and skate around and scoot around in downtown Ayia Napa. There's a whole series of videos all week. We're in Ayia Napa, if you're wondering. And the idea is to bring new people into the channel, other people that are looking for other places. And as I said, we're going to travel around various Greek islands, hopefully starting in the middle of next year, if the plan goes according to plan, that is. So, Receiver Booth?
Yes, and I would like to tell you many things.
You've lost your English again.
Many, you've stolen it.
I'm stealing it back.
Many thanks for watching and telling you how much we appreciating every single of your views and every single moment that you spent and still going to spend with us. We are loving you again and again, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses.
So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back with a little bit more of our madness. I'll leave you with Marika and me. Thanks for watching.
Beneath the video, you've got share, you've got clip, you've got download, you've got save, and you've also got a little button that says thanks. You can hit that button and give us a very small contribution, and it'll be very much appreciated. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.